Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Far Away. I'm ready to start spraying the black. This is a candy paint job guys, but like I mentioned in the previous video, it's gonna be painted black from the inside, the door jambs and the top. I'm also gonna do the hood and the trunk. Alright, everything else is gonna be that candy color. So I'm ready to start spraying the black, the base, and let's get to it. Alright guys, this is 3 coats of base. Everything came out really nice. So I'm just letting it dry for a little bit. I usually, when I spray the first coat of paint, I wait 15 minutes in between each coat, guys. So 15 minutes in between the first, 15 minutes the second, and 15 minutes on the third. Right here, there's a black cover that goes there, so I don't worry about that. But all in all, it came out really nice for the base. Now, a lot of people saw me use this gun. I have several guns, but this gun, I've had it for like 2-3 years. It was a retirement, so I'm taking it out of retirement. Now, the clear that I'm using, that I'm gonna be using just for the inside and the top, it's gonna be the quartz, the liquid glass. That's the clear that I'm going to be using for the inside and the top. Everything else is going to be that Tamco clear. All right, so my adjustments on the gun, if anybody has a Supernova, my adjustments are, I opened the trigger all the way, then I closed it halfway back in. Now on the fluid, I opened it all the way and I closed it back 2.5 turns back in, and that's the way I've been doing it for this gun, for the Supernova. If you have one of those, well, that's the way I set it up. Now on the paint, I was shooting at 29 psi. On the clear, I'm going to be shooting at 35 psi. All right, and I'm going to be waiting 15 minutes in between. I'm going to be adding 2 coats of clear on the inside and 4 coats of clear on the top. Reason being is that I'm gonna be buffing it, so I'm gonna, once I cut and buff, it's gonna stay with 3 coats. That's more than enough. All right, so let me get started on the clear. Let me start shooting the first coat, and so you can see. There it is, guys. This is 2 coats of clear on the inside and 4 coats of clear on the top. Reason being, I'm gonna cut and buff, so I want enough clear on top. Once I cut and buff, there's gonna be 3 coats of clear left, so that's one of the reasons. Everything else came out real nice. So this is the beginning of that candy paint job. Like I mentioned, inside black, outside candy. Alright guys, okay guys, this will be it for this video, guys, and there's more to come. I still need to paint the inside of the doors. I'm not going to show that. It's the same process as this. I'm going to bring you back once I start fixing the dents and sanding the outside for the candy paint job. All right guys, so this will be it for this video. Guys, like the video, share the video, hit the link below, help me out if you can. Also hit the little bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, there's more videos to come, so stay with me. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys like it. I try to answer all the comments as possible, good or bad, so it doesn't matter. So guys, thank you. Have a great week, and God bless.